Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to quickly see how we can update the VS Code in Ubuntu 24.02. But first, we will see which version of VS Code we have in our Ubuntu. For this, you can simply open your terminal and you have to type here code space minus minus version and press enter. Right now, I have VS Code 1.92.2 in my Ubuntu system. If you want to update your VS Code to the latest version, you can simply type here code. To open the VS Code, just press enter. It will open the Visual Studio Code. Next, you have to go here on the manage sign and click here, and you have to click on check for updates. As you can see that we have one update available. Click again on the manage sign and click on download update, and it will take you to the Visual Studio Code website. So the next thing you have to do is you have to click on the download button, and as you can see there, the VS Code has the latest release with the version of 1.95. So to download it, you can simply click on download and you can download the tab file for your Ubuntu. Just click here. It will automatically start the downloads. As the download is complete, you can simply click on open. It will take you to the app center. Just click on install. It will install the update for you and click here on install again. And here you can give your administration password. Click on authenticate. It will take few seconds to install this update. As you can see here that it is installed. Now we have to close again our VS Code, and now you have to open your terminal and you have to type here code space minus minus version, and here you can see that our VS Code is successfully updated, and right now we have version 1.95.2. And this is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.